Okay, I bet the guys $10 if they could swallow a whole spoonful of cinnamon. Let's see this. Go ahead.
Set, go.
Ollie, the whole spoon. Okay, Dougie and Robbie are laughing.
Oh, shit.
They're all puking. Ariana, move out of the way. I'm trying to record it. We're getting all four of them. Dougie's over there. They're all... Dougie, are you thirsty? They're both trying to wash their mouths out. They're both fighting over the hose. Robbie's over there. Robbie, are you alright?
Oh, dang.
Robbie. Oh, we can't see nothing. We can't see you when you're under there. The light's blocking you. Bryce needs it.
I saw big Robbie push a little kid out of the
Robbie. It's all over.
He's still puking.
Robin, you had the little tablespoon.
So to your face.
I'll give you $1,000 if you can do that.